Best foldable drones. Are you looking for the best foldable drones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best foldable drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The drone with camera 1080p HD FPV is a versatile and foldable quadcopter tailored for beginners and kids. Its 1080p HD camera provides clear aerial footage, while FPV, first-person view, functionality enables real-time video streaming, making it engaging for users of all ages. This drone features voice and gesture control, allowing hands-free operation for capturing photos or maneuvering. The optical flow positioning ensures stable hovering, improving the quality of videos and photos while enhancing flight control. Its one-key takeoff/land function makes operation straightforward, perfect for novices and children. Interactive features like 360 degrees flips and waypoint fly add excitement to flights, with the latter enabling users to draw custom flight paths on the connected app. The drone's foldable design and included carrying case make it portable and convenient to transport. The build quality is lightweight yet durable, and it includes safety features such as propeller guards for added protection. With user-friendly controls and multiple speed levels, the drone accommodates various skill levels, ensuring an enjoyable experience for all. In summary, the drone with camera 1080p HD FPV is an excellent entry-level quadcopter that combines functionality, portability, and entertainment. It's designed to be easy to use, making it a great choice for beginners and kids who want to explore aerial photography and enjoy the fun of flying. With features like voice control, gesture selfies, and waypoint navigation, it delivers a comprehensive and exciting drone experience. Number 2. The mini drone with camera 1080p FPV is a foldable and compact quadcopter designed for adults and kids, offering user-friendly features and advanced functionality. Its 1080p camera captures high-resolution photos and videos, while the 90 degrees adjustable lens enables dynamic angle adjustments for creative aerial shots. The FPV, first-person view, mode provides real-time video transmission for immersive flying experiences. Key features include altitude hold, ensuring stable hovering for smoother videos and photos, and gravity control, which allows users to navigate the drone by tilting their connected smartphone. The trajectory flight feature lets users draw custom flight paths on the app, adding an interactive and engaging element to flying. The drone is beginner-friendly, with a one-key takeoff/landing function that simplifies operation and reduces the learning curve. It can perform entertaining 3D flips, making it enjoyable for both kids and adults. The inclusion of 2 batteries ensures extended flight time, allowing for longer and uninterrupted use. Its foldable design makes it highly portable, and the lightweight build ensures convenience for travel. Safety features, such as propeller guards, enhance its suitability for children and novice flyers. In summary, the mini drone with camera 1080p FPV combines practicality, portability, and fun. It is equipped with essential features like altitude hold and gravity control for easy operation, as well as advanced functionalities like trajectory flight for creative exploration. Whether for learning, aerial photography, or recreation, this drone is an excellent choice for users of all skill levels. With its extended battery life, foldable design, and reliable performance, it offers a complete and enjoyable flying experience. Number 3. The drone with 2K camera is a foldable mini quadcopter, perfect for beginners and kids, offering an array of advanced features and easy-to-use controls. Its 2K FPV camera provides high-resolution images and real-time video streaming, ideal for capturing memorable aerial footage. The foldable design makes it compact and portable, suitable for travel or outdoor fun. Powered by brushless motors, the drone delivers enhanced efficiency, reduced noise, and improved durability, ensuring smooth and stable flights. The altitude hold function allows for steady hovering, making it easier to capture clear photos and videos. Additionally, gesture selfie mode enables users to take pictures or videos hands-free with simple hand gestures. This drone is designed with one-key takeoff/landing, simplifying operation for beginners and making it easy to start and stop flights. It also supports 3D flips, adding an exciting touch for playful flying sessions, and waypoint fly, which lets users draw a flight path on the app for the drone to follow autonomously. With 2 included batteries, the drone offers extended flight time, ensuring more opportunities for fun and practice. Its lightweight construction and safety features, such as propeller guards, make it safe and suitable for kids and novice flyers. In summary, the drone with 2K camera is an excellent entry-level quadcopter that balances ease of use with advanced features. Whether for aerial photography, learning to fly, or simply enjoying the fun of piloting, this drone caters to users of all skill levels. Its robust performance, portability, and beginner-friendly features make it a versatile and enjoyable choice for families, kids, and first-time drone enthusiasts. Number 4. The drone with 1080p camera is a versatile and beginner-friendly quadcopter designed for both kids and adults. Featuring a 1080p HD camera, it captures clear aerial photos and videos, and supports FPV, first-person view, for a more immersive flying experience. Its foldable design makes it highly portable, ideal for outdoor adventures and travel. This drone offers a range of beginner-friendly features that make it easy to operate. Voice control allows users to perform various actions simply by speaking, adding a fun and interactive element to flying. The gesture selfie mode enables users to take photos hands-free with simple hand gestures, making it convenient for quick and creative shots. Altitude hold ensures stable flight by maintaining a consistent height, perfect for capturing smooth and clear footage. The drone also supports one-key start, making takeoff and landing effortless for beginners. It can perform 3D flips, adding a playful and exciting touch to flying, which is particularly engaging for kids. With 2 included batteries, the drone offers extended flight time, ensuring more opportunities for enjoyment. The lightweight construction and safety features, such as propeller guards, make it a safe and suitable choice for younger users. In summary, the drone with 1080p camera is an excellent toy and learning tool for beginners and kids. It combines practical features like altitude hold and voice control with fun elements like gesture selfies and 3D flips. Its portability, safety features, and ease of use make it an ideal choice for capturing memories and exploring the joys of flight. Whether for outdoor play or as an educational tool, this drone offers a complete and enjoyable experience for kids and novice flyers alike. Number 5. The mini drone with 1080p HD camera is a compact, foldable quadcopter designed for beginners and adults, offering an engaging and user-friendly flying experience. Its 1080p HD camera captures clear aerial images and videos, and with FPV, first-person view, capabilities, users can enjoy real-time video streaming directly from their smartphone. The foldable design makes it highly portable, ideal for travel or outdoor adventures. Key features include altitude hold, which ensures stable flight and smooth video capture, making it easier for beginners to control the drone. The one-key takeoff/land function simplifies the initial takeoff and landing process, reducing the learning curve for first-time users. Additionally, the 90 degrees adjustable lens allows users to capture unique and varied shots, enhancing creativity in aerial photography. The drone is also equipped with 360 degrees flip functionality, adding a fun and dynamic element to its operation. This feature makes it easy to perform aerial stunts and tricks, keeping the experience enjoyable for users of all ages. The inclusion of 2 batteries extends flight time, offering more opportunities for play and practice without frequent recharges. A carrying case is included, enhancing the drone's portability and protection during transport. The lightweight construction, along with safety features like propeller guards, makes it suitable for kids and novice flyers, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience. In summary, the mini drone with 1080p HD camera is an excellent choice for beginners and adults alike, offering a blend of practical features and fun elements. Its portability, ease of use, and safety features make it an ideal gift for both kids and adults interested in exploring aerial photography and drone flying. Whether used for leisure or learning, this drone provides an enjoyable and engaging introduction to the world of drones.